Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering on the H9 Pro Max and charging it to at least 50% so pairing won't fail. Once done, install the companion app on your phone and enable Bluetooth. The phone will scan automatically. Make sure you grant notification and location permissions so the watch can sync time and alerts. Then select the device name in the app, confirm the numeric code on both devices, and tap Pair. This creates the secure link you'll use for sync and features. Next, you'll customize and enable the features you'll use daily. First, choose a watch face and map shortcuts to the buttons so essential apps open with one press. Then enable health sensors, continuous heart rate, SpO2 spot checks, sleep tracking, and step goals. Adjust sampling intervals to save battery. After that, sync app notifications and check for a firmware update. Updating fixes bugs and adds features, so make sure the update completes before you change advanced settings. To finish, learn daily interactions. Swipe for menus, long press to enter editing, and use gestures for quick actions. Make sure auto brightness and battery saver are tuned to your routine so the watch lasts a full day. If something goes wrong, restart the watch first. Once restarted, repair it with the app if notifications or health sync stop. Finally, only perform a factory reset after backing up settings, and have the serial number ready if you contact support for deeper help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.